Hi again, friends. Charles Davies here with the McCroskey Mattress Company in San Francisco, and today we're talking adjustable bases. As you can see, my lovely guest is relaxing and he's nice and comfortable on our natural collection, and I'm going to elevate his comfort right now. So we do carry two great adjustable bases. We have the Contemporary as well as the Aviada, and they have a lot of similar features, and we'll go into those first, and then we'll talk about the differences between both of them. So when we talk about similarities, they have the ability to put you in the three most popular positions that our guests love to be in on their adjustable bases. The first is called the back relief position. So what's going to happen is we're going to raise the feet up ever so slightly, and the legs are a very, very heavy part of our body. So when we elevate the feet, what's going to happen is we're going to reduce tension on our lower back. Now that we've reduced tension on the lower back, we're going to transition into what we call the wellness position. So we're going to keep the feet nice and where they are, and we're going to elevate the head. By elevating the head, we're going to help our guests achieve a few different things. Number one, if our guest is someone that snores, what's going to happen is the weight of gravity is going to be taken off the lungs, which is going to open up the breathing passages and allow that snoring to be dissipated. This also helps with acid reflux. So on a Taco Tuesday, if you had too much spicy food, this will do a great job of keeping that stomach acid down. And then lastly, we're going to talk about the entertainment position. So nowadays, more so than ever, we're spending more time in bed. And we're doing other activities other than sleeping, from watching TV to reading to working on our laptops, all that kind of stuff. So you have the ability with our adjustable bases to raise the head even more, to make all those activities a lot more pleasurable and enjoyable, and not have to stack pillows behind you any longer. So we've talked about the similarities between both bases. Now let's talk a little bit about the differences. So now that my guest is in this position, the Contemporary has the ability to increase its lumbar support. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to demonstrate that. So right now, you'll notice the center of the bed elevating slightly. What we're doing is we're filling in the gap in the lower back and adding a little bit of extra support. Now what we'll do is, if you wouldn't mind, stepping over to the Aviada. So as I stated earlier, the Aviada does all the same things, but it doesn't have the lumbar support. What it does have is the ability to invert. So inversion therapy has been proven to reduce stress on the lower back area and really help relax the muscles. So we're going to go into that inverted position. Now, as we lower the feet, we're going to feel a lot of tension coming off that lower back, and then we're going to do the same thing on the head area. So for those that know the back, chiropractors, orthopedic surgeons, they always recommend getting in this position, if possible, for 9 minutes before bed and 9 minutes when you wake up in the morning, to set yourself up for a good night of rest, as well as to set you up for a great day the next day. Both adjustable bases have very easy to use remotes and massage features. We invite you to come try them both out for yourself here at our showroom in San Francisco. We're at 1687 Market Street, or you can shop online at www.mccroskeysf.com. We'll see you soon.